让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Here we go. It's another round for a practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today we're going to teach you the phrase to be late or going to be late for something. 迟到怎么说呢？
慢到。
慢到，就是好像慢到的意思那种感觉，
是啊，
对不对？ Okay, that means I'm going to arrive later or in other words, late. So a lot of times, there's a meeting coming up maybe tomorrow and maybe your colleagues will remind you not to be late. Yeah. Let's listen to a conversation like that where you're reminded not to be late to a meeting.
聽講你幾多點愛開飛
9點，幾隻飛機同重要，唔好慢到哦。
冇問題，我一定會準時。
準時，這個我們教過。準時 to be on time, right? If we're teaching you how to say late, we should also teach you how to say on time. 遲到跟剛好要準時到的話叫準時。
準時。
準時。Okay, let's break down some of these phrases right here, okay? 第一句當然就是問說明天幾點要開會啊？What time is the meeting tomorrow?
天公日幾多點愛開飛？
天公日幾多點愛開飛？開飛不是 coffee 不是咖啡
不是，是開會。
開會，對。That means a meeting, right? What time is the meeting tomorrow? 天公日 that's tomorrow. 幾多點就是幾點嘛？
幾點
啊？這些我都自己會教了耶，
好棒哦，
厲害了，
很強哦。
好，答案是9點了哦。那個會議很重要，所以不要遲到哦。It's 9 o'clock. That meeting is going to be very important, so don't be late.
9點。
9點。
幾隻飛機同重要？
幾隻飛機同重要？
唔好慢到哦。
唔好慢到哦。感覺有一個新的片語，重要
就是重要，
重要的意思。Okay, it's important 哦。
然後很重要，懂重要。
懂重要。Okay, that means very important. Don't be late. 沒錯哦。那對方說沒問題啦，我一定會準時。No problem, I will be on time.
冇問題。
冇問題。
我一定會準時。
我一定會準時。Okay, 我一定會準時。So let's go ahead and review some of these phrases, such as a meeting, 開會。
開飛。
開飛 and it's important, 重要。
重要。
重要 and to be on time, 準時。
準時。
準時。All right, let's listen to this conversation again.
聽講你幾多點愛開飛
9點，幾隻飛機同重要，唔好慢到哦。
冇問題，我一定會準時。
And of course, this month we're teaching you the phrase to be late or just late. 遲到怎麼說？
慢到。
慢到。And there you have it, another round of practical Hakka here on ICRT.
是母大家。
漢字細章來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.